8:25 or 8:26 rather, they are already considered late for this time. Okay? And for those late, be ready. Be ready. I'm telling you this. Okay? Because this is not happening. No? But how many times already? Nauunahan na tayo. No? Meron tayong top 24, meron tayong top 2, then meron tayong final 6. But here sa ating seminar, meron din tayong top 10. Top 10 early bird employees na dumating sa
definition. Well-being is feeling good and functioning well. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng feeling good and functioning well? Simple.
Do not hesitate. Ask questions as I said. You also share insights. If not,